Hey guys, I'm Ian.
And I'm Avi.
And today we are going to try Nutella Bomb cookies from my bakery. So I absolutely love Nutella. He likes Nutella. It's okay to him. And that's the thing.
The thing is that it says bomb on it. I hope it is.
Alright. So you want to try it? I
want to try it.
Sure
Of course
yeah,
I want
let's do it. Okay guys, ready to try the cookie, bro?
Yeah.
Let's do this. So what do you rate it?
I rate that a 5 out of 5. I mean, I could really taste the Nutella and the cookies help. It's pretty good.
I rated a 5. One, I love Nutella. You really taste the Nutella. Okay guys, we're gonna have to end it off here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Peace out.